Let's make some dinner. Tonight I'm having some roasted potatoes, some sauteed mushroom, and some tofu. This is a completely vegan meal and it's gonna be delicious. I have my potatoes all nice and diced. Now I'm going to add it to the pot. Next, I'm going in with the keto-friendly, soy-free tofu. This is from the brand Big Mountain. I am really excited to be trying this tofu because it's made of all plant-based ingredients. So, let's go. Keep these. I'm going to replant those. To start, I'm going to go in with some extra virgin olive oil, quarter cup. Then I'm going to go in with a generous amount of the sweet and sour sauce. I'm just going to go in with about 4 ounces or so. Next, I'm going to go in with some soy sauce. This is actually less sodium soy sauce. And I'm going to also use a quarter cup of soy sauce. On my plate, I have some cut up garlic, hot peppers, and some green hot peppers. I'm going to add those in. And then the juice of half of a lemon. Next, I'm going to go in with some paprika and some onion powder. And this is basically about a half of a teaspoon. Go ahead and pour that syrup all over the tofu mixture. I forgot I had this on, so let's check on it. Whew. It's looking good. It was almost bun to the ground. Bun to the ground again. I got these from the garden, some fresh basil and some rosemary. I'm gonna add some onions. Next, I'm gonna add the mushrooms. These are baby bella mushrooms. Some pepper. Some garlic powder. Paprika. Some dried parsley flakes. Honey, about a tablespoon or so. A bit of honey mustard. And when I tell you this is delicious, so delicious. Oh my goodness. I feel like I need to add another layer of pepper to it. I love pepper. You know they say if you can't handle the heat, don't step in the kitchen. So now that my mushrooms are almost finished cooking, I'm gonna take the potatoes that I did earlier and I'm gonna add that. Look into my eyes, can't you see they're open wide? Would I lie to you, baby? Would I lie to you? Oh no. So let's try. On my plate, I have mushrooms, tofu, and some cucumber that I cut up with some hot peppers. Let's try it. That's really good. It kind of looks like an ear, doesn't it?
Let's go eat, my love. Look at mommy's butt. It's looking good.